Hey everyone, welcome back to Solution. I'm Divya and today I'm going to be talking about my all-time favorite topic, law of attraction. By attraction, I do not mean just couples or ishq wala love. My apologies. But what I really mean is understanding the power to manifest your dreams and goals for money, good health, great relationships and so on. I'm ready here with my chai, excited to share some tips. In fact, during the course of this video, I'll also tell you all about how I manifested meeting and working with Shah Rukh Khan. Not everyone is aware of the law of attraction, so I'll take about a minute to explain the concept and then get into interesting and easy ways of manifesting all that you desire and deserve. Let me begin by telling you that I am a certified law of attraction coach. If you know of this movie called The Secret, there's a certain Dr. Joe Vitale in it. I had taken up his course and was certified after giving an exam. Anyway, so we all know how science states that the universe is made of energy and energies have frequencies or vibrations. You can always delve into quantum physics to understand this on a deeper level. Basically, we're all made of energy and we emit certain frequencies at all times. Law of attraction states that like attracts like. What you focus on most is what will be manifested as experience back to you. Think of yourself as a magnet, where like would attract like and not the opposite. Now the big question here is, if it's so easy to attract what we want, why do we not always get it? Because we tend to focus more on what we don't want. I don't want debts, I'm not getting rich, I'm not good enough for him or her, I keep falling sick, why don't I lose the weight? Rings a bell. Maybe now you'll understand why you tend to attract situations that you always try to repel. What you resist persists, no exception. It's like the law of gravity. If you jump off a building, it doesn't matter if you're a good person or not. You're going to fall and not fly. It's the law. Now that you understand the concept, let me tell you how it works. For me, there are 5 steps to manifestation. Number 1, ask. You have to be really clear about what you want from the universe and then focus on it. I suggest write down or type out things you want to achieve under financial goals, health goals, relationship goals, and so on. Having a list in front of you will give you clarity about what you really desire. It's always easier to have it in front of you to understand better. Number 2, believe. If I sit today and say I want to earn 1 crore in 3 months, I'd be bluffing big time. This isn't wishful thinking. Your desires have to be believable for you. You need to set goals which you know for a fact that you'd be able to achieve in a stipulated period of time. Number 3, act. As in, take inspired action. So I've clearly written down my goals. I know I believe in them 100%, but I don't do anything in order to achieve them. It's not going to magically happen. This is not a fairy tale. Take steps towards achieving them. Make a plan of action. Whether it's making that phone call, going up to a person and talking, mastering a skill, writing 1 page a day, do it. Take those steps and it will lead you to being in the right place at the right time. Always. Number 4, let go. Now this is a tricky one. It almost sounds like a contradiction. I can hear you saying, Divya, but you asked us to focus on the goals and now you're saying let go. I hear you. Imagine this. If you're thinking about your goal all day long and obsessing over it, you will unknowingly give out an energy of lack. That I don't have it yet. And that is not the energy we want to emit. Almost all the screw-ups to the law of attraction not working for people happens during this step. They misunderstand focusing and letting go. Having clarity, believing in your goal, acting on it is great. But by letting go, I mean when you have unshakable faith, you're not going to obsess. You're going to go about your day and try emitting only high vibrations. The trick to manifestation and the law of attraction is not primarily thinking about your goals, it's feeling and emotions. You attract what you feel. Follow the first 3 steps and make sure you do things that make you happy and put you in a good mental space. Nothing good is going to come out of a negative mood or mindset. Like attracts like. Remember that. Be the high vibration and you'll be in perfect alignment with the universe to attract your goals and desires. Even if it means you need to distract, do it. Sometimes it'll take effort because as human beings, we can't always be happy. It's not possible. But what is possible is that you don't dwell on the low feeling. Distract. Do what you love. Watch a fun film or a show. Draw, dance, write, sing, play. Listen to music. Talk to a friend or a therapist. Whatever can help you feel better. A seed won't turn into a plant overnight, right? You need to have patience and follow the nurturing process to reap benefits. Some days there'll be more rain than sunlight. Take out that umbrella of distraction and let it stop you from getting totally drenched. Number 5. Receive. You followed all the 4 steps. Now just be a little patient and expect the manifestation. Don't sit and think about how it's going to happen. That'll just fill your mind with doubts, and we don't want that. I'll give you an example. When you go to a restaurant, you look at the menu. You choose what you desire to eat, place your order, and wait for the dish to reach you. Do you sit and obsess over each step that the chef may take to create your order? No, right? You asked, believed that it'll reach you, you let go, and then you finally receive without obsessing over the how. It's that simple. I've personally manifested a lot of my goals. Career-wise, personal goals, health goals, and I also struggle sometimes when I obsess over certain things I really want. But even I am a work in progress. I keep at it. I do not give up. I'll give you 2 powerful techniques that will put you in a high vibration. The first one is gratitude. We have a tendency to complain more and appreciate less. Human nature, and it's all right. Let's not be hard on ourselves. But sit and think about the things we take for granted and say a big thank you to the universe for it. It'll immediately put you in alignment with the universe. A grateful heart is a happy heart, and that's the emotion we require for manifestation. We don't realize we have so much to be grateful for having a roof over our heads, for the food we get. In fact, this pandemic may ironically be a good time to be grateful. For our health, for our house helps, our friends, loved ones, our jobs, being able to travel freely, for having the money to buy basic amenities, for doctors. There's a lot to be grateful for if we seriously sit and think about it. I'll be doing a separate video on gratitude soon enough. The second technique is visualization. If you can see it in your eyes, you can hold it in your hand. Take 2 to 5 minutes a day and visualize achieving your goals and hold on to that happy, ecstatic feeling. Focus on the end result, not on the how. This is one of the most powerful techniques I have experienced and has helped me manifest so much. Create what is known as a vision board or a vision wall, like I have right here behind me. You can create a scrapbook or on your laptop or phone, put all your desires and goals up and look at the vision board at least twice a day. In fact, that's how I manifested meeting Shah Rukh Khan, who's also right here. I'm his biggest fan. I didn't know how I was going to meet him. Access is not easy, but I had unquestionable faith. I put his picture at the center of my vision board, and every day when I looked at it, I knew I was going to meet him soon. Then it happened. I met him as a fan, and he was so warm to me. And I thought to myself, I don't just want to meet him as a fan for 2 minutes. I want to be able to be in the same workspace and be able to engage with him and learn from him. That happened also. The company that I was working for at the time, which was a Bollywood PR agency, made this dream come true. We were promoting one of his big films a couple of years ago, and I got the opportunity to meet him and listen to him talk for over an hour and learn from him. I didn't obsess over it. I put my desire out in the universe, believed in my heart it was going to happen, full shiddat, didn't bother about the how, and took inspired action by focusing on getting better at my work, which ultimately led me to meeting him. I've used the visualization technique to get jobs in specific companies too, and it's always worked. There are certain things I still struggle with, but I'm working on them. Trust me, this is not rocket science. People around the world are using the law of attraction and manifesting their goals. Top psychologists, philanthropists, and celebrities admit to using it and highly recommend the process. Will Smith, Jim Carrey, Shah Rukh Khan, Oprah Winfrey, Ranveer Singh, Steve Harvey, Lady Gaga, Jay Shetty, Deepak Chopra, they all have talked about the power of the law of attraction and how they've achieved success by applying it. Now, you know the law of attraction and its techniques. Are you ready to begin? In fact, all of you already unknowingly have been applying the law of attraction in your life. This time, let's do it consciously to actually manifest goals with a positive outlook. Let me know what you thought of this rather lengthy yet important video. And if you have questions about the law of attraction, I am happy to answer. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.